there it is. Rear engine Nissan Micra, over 2 decades old. It was an incredible marketing PR exercise when it came out, and it's here today at Millbrook. I wonder.
A brown car guy. Brown car guy.
So we are in a Micra. This Micra is weird, it's unusual, it's rare, it's different because this is a rear engine Micra. This was a crazy thing that Nissan did about 23 years ago, and it's here at Millbrook, and they're doing passenger rides in it. And I'm here with, what was your name?
Nick.
And tell me about the car a little bit.
So yeah, this is Nissan Micra running a 350Z engine in the back, 300 horsepower. It's been breathed on quite a lot to make that power, and obviously the whole car itself has been built from the ground up, so about 23 years ago now, so it's getting on a little bit, but at the same time it's nice that Nissan are getting it out and getting it used. So
let's see what it's like, let's go. So I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see in here. I'm literally hand holding this as we make our way out, and we get to one of the high-speed handling circuits here at Millbrook. And this is actually the car that's been doing lots of runs through the day. This is literally the last run. I didn't think I would get a go because there was a long queue for the car. Yeah, the last minute they were like, hey, you know, we've got one more slot. Do you want to have a go? I'm like, yeah, let's do it. This is a car that I remember when it came out 23 years ago. Nissan brought this out, and I remember reading about it and seeing it and going, what on this end, thinking, why are they doing this? This is bonkers. And here I am, all this time later, actually in it. Okay, so I'll flip the camera around so you can see a little bit about the car itself. How well planted that was, right? Was it here left, right? Wow, look at the smell. The thing about the car, you smell the gear, you smell the tires. My God, the speed here is phenomenal. Right? There we go. This is the fastest I've been today, I'll tell you that much. That is extraordinary. Holding on. Don't know where this one is going. It's going to the right, it's going to the left. We are holding on for life. Oh my goodness. Wow. Making it right to the end there. Just grip there a little bit, moving. There we go, there it's sliding, it's kicking out a little bit. Sliding, very good. Build up this here, smell it. It's absolutely bonkers. Trying to get a bit of a view of what the driver's doing. It's a little tight over the hill, press right, goes up, goes down, goes down. What an extraordinary haul we are putting from 2 kilometers in there right now. That is absolutely crazy. Absolutely bonkers. It's so small, it's so simple. It's got a tiny footprint. It's about as wide as it can go. Incredible management. And the gearbox. It's got a proper manual gearbox. Absolutely wonderful. With perfect corner. Absolutely wonderful. Really, I'm hanging off the belt here. Oh, a little bit of time. Good side projection. That was this bit here is great. This is good. It goes up, you can't see where you're going, and you turn right, and you're back onto the car back again. But the driver's working really hard, as you can see. Absolutely brilliant. What an experience. And I tell you what, it's not something you can drive, it's not something the car is. It's just when you get into something like this, then you realise, yeah, this is great. Oh my God, this is a Nissan Micra. This is a Nissan Micra. This is mad. That was great. That was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. utterly bonkers. Really, really good. I don't know if you could hear me or whatever, but you know, that was driving this car. I did pin the mic to my jacket because I couldn't trust myself to hold it, but that was phenomenal. As you can see, we're on the cool down lap now and heading back to the pits. So that was absolutely bonkers. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the ride in the 23-year-old classic, legendary, now iconic, rear-engined Nissan Micra. What an experience. What a way to round off a fantastic day here. Hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe if you're not already doing so. And support independent automotive journalism channels like mine. You can do that at patreon.com, coffee.com, or taking out a subscription right here on YouTube. Or you know what, better still, you can go and buy my books. I've got 3 books out now. They're all on Amazon. They're all available to buy. More details on this are in the description, but buying any of these books will certainly help. Thanks so much for watching. There it is. Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.